I am greetings to everyone. There are 5 types of long-term work visa available in the UK, like skilled work visa, health and care worker visa, intercompany visa, minister of religion visa, and sports person visa. Today, I will discuss step by step about skilled worker visa. So I am requesting to you, please watch the video until end. Otherwise, it will be difficult for you to understand the whole procedures. For skilled worker visa, first of all you need to get a job offer from Home Office approved UK employers, as well as you need a certificate of sponsorship from your employer with information about the role you have been offered in the UK. But question is, how you know which one is Home Office approved UK employers or not? Answer is simple. Just visit gov.uk official website and then you will see the updated registered license sponsor list, means Home Office approved UK employers list. The web link you may see the below in the description box. Now another question is that how you can get a job offer? Answer is just visiting our website iclcouncil.com and click on information page where you will see the UK job posting website. Our web link has given below in the description box. Then your responsibility is that just make a profile and simply apply for suitable job. When you will apply, just make sure you will get the minimum salary or the going rate for the type of work you will be doing. At present, minimum salary you need to get yearly £25,600, but you need to cross check yearly going rate as well. However, if you have any doubt about minimum yearly salary or going rate, just contact with us. Remember that if you want to apply for a skilled worker visa, you must prove yourself you can read, write, speak and understand English, at least B1 level. For example, B1 level is IELTS band score in between 4 and 5. You do not necessary to prove your knowledge of English if you are a national one of the following countries. The country list you can see in the gov.uk official website. The web link has given below in the description box. If you got a job offer with certificate of sponsorship from the UK employers as well as you have a knowledge of English, then you can apply for a skilled worker visa. Before you going to apply for a skilled worker visa, just make sure you have sufficient money in your account to support yourself. Now maintenance fund you must have at least £1,270 in your bank account for minimum 28 consecutive days. If your family members applies with you, then maintenance fund will be increased. For your civil partner, additional amount is £285 and £300 for the first child and £200 for each additional child. If you want to know more about maintenance amount, just visit the gov.uk website. The web link has given below in the description box. Now question is that which documents you need and how to apply for a skilled worker visa. First of all, you need a certificate of sponsorship. Secondly, you need a proof of English proficiency documents like IELTS or Pearson test results or others. Third documents should be your valid passport. In fact, our recommendation is it should be valid for more than 6 months. Fourth documents are bank statements. If you have a spouse and children, then you need to provide the proof of your relationship documents. Number 5, tuberculosis test results. That means TB test report. If you had stayed more than 6 months, these below listed countries. The country list you will get in gov.uk website. Anyway, the link has given below in the description box. Number 6. In some cases, you may need police clearance certificate. Number 7. Pay healthcare surcharge as a part of your skilled visa application. This is usually £624 per year. If you want to know more about healthcare surcharge, just visit the link below given in the description box. Number 8. Now you can apply for a skilled work visa and pay the visa fees. Generally, you will get the decision about your application within 3 weeks if you are applying from outside of UK. and it will generally take 8 weeks if you are going to apply inside the UK. Benefits to work in the UK: after 5 years, you can apply for permanent residency. However, if you have any question about skilled worker visa, then feel free to contact us via our website or email us. Our website address is given below in the description box. Our aim is to develop the peoples by the learning and developments. Also, we are providing them the accurate information as well as giving helpful advice so that they can be protected from various scams. Thank you to watch the video and see you on a next video. Have a nice day and stay well.